how to fix a new SSD that's not showing up in Windows. It's a straightforward process with no downloads required, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure that your SSD is properly connected. If it's an internal drive, power down your PC and open up your case. Check all cables, both the SATA cable and the power cable, to ensure they're securely plugged in. If it's an external drive, double check your USB connection. Assuming everything is connected correctly, power up your PC and let's move on to the next step. Right-click on the Start menu and select Disk Management. Look for your new SSD in the list of drives. It might appear as unallocated or with no drive leader assigned. If you see a SSD listed but without a drive leader, you will need to initialize and format it. Right-click on the SSD's name and select Initialize Disk. Choose the partition style, that is MBR for older systems or GPT for newer systems with UEFL. GPT is recommended for most modern setups. After initialization, right-click on the allocated space and select New Volume or New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to assign a drive leader and format the SSD. Make sure to select NTFS for the file system. If you missed assigning a drive leader during the volume creation, you can do it by right-clicking on the new volume and selecting Change Drive Leader and Paths, and click Add and choose it later from your drive. Sometimes a Windows update can solve detection issues. Go to Settings, click on Windows Update, and check for any available updates. If there is an update available, be sure to update it. Now, check Device Manager. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager and look for your SSD under Disk Drives. If you see it with a yellow warning icon, right-click and choose Update Driver to search automatically for updated drivers. And that's it. Your new SSD should now be visible and ready to use. If you still have issues, there might be a hardware problem, so try checking connection or testing the SSD in another system could help. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.